Okay, let's continue on with the base. I'm gonna start high, do the top, and I'm gonna make the paint go onto the wall a little bit like that. And then I'm gonna grab my paintbrush, I'm gonna start high, and then I'm gonna draw down to the baseboard, and I'm gonna draw a straight line across. Don't be afraid. Utilize the bristles, draw back into your work, and that piece is done. Let's move it down. Let's do the same thing. Draw a straight line on the top in between the wall and the baseboard. Start high, put the paint on. Let's start high and draw a line down and go straight down the baseboard where it meets the flooring. Now we're gonna go back over the work. Put the paint on first. I'm gonna start high and draw a straight line. I'm gonna fill in any imperfections with a little bit of paint. This is an older home. They're gonna be sanding the floors. It's about a 200-year-old piece of wood. Let's see what we got. Flooring in the baseboard. Don't touch the floor. See that? You got this. Keep dunking your brush. Start high and then work down. Start high and work it down. Fill that hole in. Go over your work, put the paint on first, now feather it in over the other work. Now we're gonna start in the corner and get it down into the 45, and we're gonna draw a straight line. Dunk your brush. Feather over your work, feather it over. Let's take a look at what we got here. Look at that. That's roughly 200-year-old woodwork. Not looking that bad, is it? And we're gonna continue on with the baseboard.